All right, we're back here at Chupacabra. There was one thing that I forgot to eat, and that is they have the best pork barbecue I've ever had. It's funny that a Mexican restaurant in Manila would have the best pork barbecue, but look at this puppy. It's absolutely beautifully grilled. Yeah. And apparently they marinate it in Sprite overnight. Gives us beautiful sweetness and also tenderizes the meat fantastically. Whoops, sorry, the phone kind of dropped over. It marinates in Sprite overnight, and it makes it very sweet and very tender. I'm going to do something. What they usually do is they eat it with just by dipping in this beautiful onion, chili, suka, which is a coconut blossom or banana blossom vinegar, I believe. It's fantastic just dipped in that. But I'm going to do the salsa, and I'm going to do the garlic mayo, and I'm going to actually make street tacos. So we're going to do a bit of a Filipino street taco, Mexican street taco mishmash. So here we go. Man, it's hot. Right off the grill. In Thailand, they call these mu ping, but here it's a little bit more smoky, more charcoaly. I won't say less sweet, but a little bit more balanced because it's more salty. Saltier and smokier mu ping. Yeah, not like cloyingly sweet like the Thai pork barbecue can be. More balanced. So I've just dipped it in the vinegar. Put a couple pieces in there. More vinegar. And then I'm gonna add some salsa. I'm gonna add some cream mayo. And I'm gonna show you guys what I just did. Basically, that's a pork barbecue taco. I just kind of improvised it. They don't sell them like that here, so I ordered the pork barbecue and the tortillas separately. And I'm basically having a Filipino pork barbecue taco, street taco. Let's see how it comes out. That's awesome. Oh, God. Are you kidding me? Wow. Wow. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. Forget about it. Amazing. That's good. So much flavor. Crazy. Wow, that's it.